As this setup is dedicated for the both the test the spring in tension and compression. So this setup initially both two springs are there. This is for tensile test and the below one for the compression test. And with the hook hanger is attached with some loads, 1 kg load. Now I am preparing it for the test of spring in tension. So this I am going to remove. The hanger is now removed. Now I am going to remove this spring. So yeah, it got removed. Now I am going to tight it by rotating it clockwise. Okay, and this is the main scale, and this is the vernier scale. So I'm going to adjust so that zero reading of vernier and main scale both should be matching. So it is matching. For that, what I have to do, I have to, so where both the zeros on the main scale and vernier scale are matching, and then we are tightening the nut at this stage.